And this is the first Typhoon H that I bought back in December of 2019. And I had problems with it right out of the box. This is the first flight. And this was a refurbished drone that I had purchased from Yuneec, and I believe it was under a 1-year warranty. And I had some experience with the Hollystone 700, and I knew how to operate the basic controls, and I'm an old RC pilot, and I was having a lot of problems keeping this thing under control. That's why I wasn't moving it too far away, the lack of control. I made sure that I followed all the steps in getting this drone calibrated properly. I was confident of that, had done it several times.
You got your mouth open for it. This is what you got your mouth open for.
And the problem I was having is I could go left, but having trouble going right. I could go forward, but I could not return or back up. I did, however, find that if I continuously move the stick to the right, it would move to the right some, not very much, and a little bit of control. The major item was I could not get the Typhoon H to return home using the back stick. The only way to get it to return was to use the return home feature.
Come on, you better get away from the trees.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Paul Stevens, out for now.